Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will understand how you can add pricing table in your WordPress website absolutely for free without any paid plugin or without any pro version. So pricing table is something which is helpful in order to showcase the pricing of your product or services so that user can get a overview that how your product are priced and what are the features that they will get in which particular plan or subscription box. So of course it is a good idea to have a pricing table on your WordPress website, but if you are using, let's say, Elementor as a page builder, now by default Elementor free version does not have the pricing table functionality inbuilt. Now there are two options. First, either you go for the pro version of Elementor or you would make it custom using HTML and CSS. In both the ways, it is not very easy for the beginners. So there is a third way also, which we will cover in this video, that is to add a free add-on plugin, which will give you free access to extra widgets, which are usually available in the Elementor Pro version. And the name of the plugin is Essential Add-on for Elementor. So let me show you how this plugin looks like. So click on add new plugin and just search for Elementor. Just search for Elementor. It will show you the Elementor plugins. Of course, you need to have it. And the second plugin is Essential Add-ons for Elementor, popular Elementor add-on with ready templates, widgets, and of course other things. So make sure that you have both this plugin activated. So I have both the plugin activated. You just need to install and activate it now. And once you have activated the Essential Add-on, you will see an option called Essential Add-ons on the left hand side. Just click on this and go to Elements and make sure that you have enabled all the things. So you can just click on enable all elements. Just click on enable all elements and it will enable all the possible elements in this entire widget section. So just click on save settings after that. Once it is done, now the second step is to choose a page where we want to add the pricing table. So I have on my website home, services, about, and contacts. Of course, if I am showing services, I will show the pricing table on the same page. So I will just click on services, click on edit with Elementor, and here I will show my pricing table. So for that I will just choose the place. So I'll just scroll down and maybe I will choose to show the pricing table here. So search for only the pricing table. And as you can see, as soon as I search for pricing table, you can see there is a widget, but it is not an Elementor widget. It is Essential Add-ons widget. So it is only visible when you have the Essential Add-on plugin enabled. So just drag and drop like this. And once you drag and drop, you can see the pricing is there, but of course you can change the style. So pricing style is default. You can change the styling to 2. That is the second option. So in free version of this plugin, you get 2 options. That is sufficient, right? And of course you can change that how many columns you want to show, how many options you want to show. Now you can configure this plugin, configure this widget. List icon, do you want to show the list icon? Yes, because there is a tick mark which is not included, which is included, right? So everything you can control. And icon placement is left, correct. Startup, the title should be startup. Okay, not a problem. Subtitle, you can give a tagline here. You can change this icon as well. Now if you see the pricing, so of course this is a single pricing table, right? So if you want to make multiple options side by side, then what you can do, you can just duplicate this. So just right click and click on duplicate. But before that, let me just make some corrections. Just delete and delete. So what I will do, I'll just choose a grid layout. So I'll just click on plus icon. I can choose flexbox and I can choose maybe 4 ones, right? So let's show the pricing table 4 times. And now from here, click on this option, search for pricing table, drag and drop like this. And now you can see there is a pricing table. Of course 4 will be too much. Let's make it 3 only so that it is properly visible. And let me just make it 3. So instead of 4, only 3, and I can change the size. So maybe instead of 25, let's make it 30 or 33 accordingly, so that each and every column is of course almost same width. Yes, now it is done. Now you can configure the first one. So just click on edit. So instead of default, let's go the second option. Yes, this looks great. And now from here I can configure. So let's say it is my startup plan, basic plan. I can just copy this, paste it here, and then again paste it here. So now I have 3 plans. So maybe startup, the second one I can name it as enterprise, right? Maybe, or maybe SME, and the third one maybe I can go with enterprise, right? I can go with enterprise. Naming is on, of course, you, so there is no problem in naming, so you can give accordingly, maybe basic, advanced, or maybe the corporate one. The tagline you can choose accordingly. Now, of course, in order to show 3 different plans, you must have something to differentiate that, okay, in the basic plan these much of options are available and these much are not. So for example, in basic plans, first 2 options are available, but the remaining 3 options are not available. So let me just show them by a cross sign. So I will just scroll down here, I will go to features, and I will just show a cross icon, tick icon, instead of, let me, what is the name of this icon? This icon says check. So here is the icon that shows not included. So I'll just click on this and click on insert. Now you can see that this option is not available, and of course it is in green, so we can maybe show in a black or maybe red, so that it shows that it is not available in this option, like this, right? So these 2 things are available, but this is not available. And of course the same thing is here also, in the next one also. So you can just scroll down, choose this, so that the name of the icon was times. So just choose this icon. Of course, the copy and paste the same color, that is of course black, so we can just change it to black as well. And the last option is also the same thing, so we can just choose black, and we can choose the icon as times. So that's how you can show which is not included in the basic plan. So 3 things are not included, 2 things are included, and of course in the further thing we can say the first 3 things are included, but the remaining 2 not included, and in 5th one all the things are included. That's why this is the highest plan. So that's how you can show the pricing table. And now let's publish it. And once the changes are published, now let's review the changes. And here is the pricing table created very beautifully, and of course you can change the colors and font style and everything as per your current theme. So guys, that's how you can add a pricing table in your WordPress website without any paid plugin and without any pro version of Elementor plugin. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.